Hi everyone, this is Chandni Jaipriya from Vishnu Institute of Technology from AIDS branch. Today I am excited to introduce a Telegram bot that helps users find movie details instantly. This bot is built using Node.js, the Telegram bot API, OMDB API and Firebase Firestore for storing movie searches. Let's take a quick look at how it works. First of all, we import required modules like Node Telegram Bot API. This library is used to interact with the Telegram Bot API. Axios. This is a promise-based HTTP client used for making API requests. For example, fetching movie details from OMDB API, Firebase admin. This SDK is used to interact with Firebase Firestore, where movie searches are stored. Next, define API tokens. The boot token and API key are retrieved from environment labels process.env for security. If the environmental variable is not set, the fallback token and OMDB API key are used. Next, we initialize Firebase. The Firebase admin SDK is initialized using credentials stored in a file key sm.json.json. This allows the bot to interact with Firebase and Firestore, a cloud NoSQL database. Initialize Telegram bot. A Telegram bot instance is created using the token. Polling true enables long polling, meaning the bot continuously listens for new messages. We initialize Firestore collection. A connection to Firestore is established. The bot will store movie searches results in a Firestore collection named movies. Next, we handle using start command. When a user sends start command, the bot replies with a welcome message. Message.chat.id is used to send a response to the correct chat. Next, we handle incoming messages like movie search. The bot listens to all messages. Chat ID is extracted to identify the sender. Message.text.trim extract the message text and remove extra spaces. Next, we ignore non-text messages. If the message is empty or contains entities like commands or URLs, it is ignored. Next, we fetch movie data from OMDB API. The bot sends an HTTP request to the OMDB API searching for the movie title. Encode URI component movie title ensures special characters example spaces are properly encoded. Next, we handle movie not found. If OMDB returns response false, the bot informs the user that the movie was not found. Next, we extract movie data. Extract important details like title, year, plot, and poster from API responses. Then we format and send movie details. A formatted message with markdown styling is created. The bot sends the movie poster along with the details. Next, we store movie data in Firestore. The movie details are stored in the Firestore movies collection. Then handle API errors. If an error occurs, for example, OMDB API is down, the bot logs the error and informs the user. Next, indicate that the bot is running. A console log confirms that the bot has started successfully. Now open the Google Chrome and click Firebase console. After opening it, we have to click Get Started. Next, here we can create a project. But now I already created my project called Project 401. Now after the page loads, we have to select the project overview settings. In that, we have to click project settings. In project settings, we have to select service accounts. Now our code will open in Node.js. Here we have to create new private key. You can click on generate key to create that. But here I already generated my key and I named it as key sm.json.json. This is my private key and I added this private key in my code as key sm.json.json. Now open files. and open our JS code. Here I named it as movie. And in path we have to enter CMD. Now command prompt is opened. We have to click node movie.js. See, my bot is running. Let me demonstrate how my Telegram bot chat connects with the Firebase. Now let us send a movie name. Here I send movie name as MCA. Here we can see that I got a movie poster with the title MCA Middle Class Abbai, movie title and then year and then plot. Now let me demonstrate how it is stored in the Firebase. In, in Firebase we have to click on Firestore database. We can see that we can get a collection of data and our recently entered movie details are found here. Here we can see that our recently updated the movie name, plot, poster, title and the year. In conclusion, this Telegram movie board is a simple and powerful tool that allows users to instantly search for movie details right from their chart. By integrating the OMDB API, the bot retrieves and displays essential movie information, including the title, release year, plot summary, and poster. Additionally, by storing user searches in Firebase Firestore, we ensure a record of movie searches, which can be useful for future recommendations or analytics. The bot also incorporates error handling and security best practices such as using environment variables for API keys. This project demonstrates how Telegram bots, APIs, and databases can work together to provide an efficient and user-friendly experience. It's a great example of how automation can make information more accessible in just a few clicks. Thank you for your time.